Hello guys, today we're going to test cursor slow requests. So as you can see here, I've hit my rate limit for the premium models, and we're going to see how slow are the slow premium requests. For windsurf, you're not gonna get any slow requests, by the way. So once you hit this 500 prompt credits per month, it's not going to give you access to any of these that are using credits. You can still use the free limited ones that are in here. At the time of recording this video, they are present in here, but who knows? They might be removing them for sure. Okay, so we're gonna say create a web React app. Appealing. Okay. And here is very important. Use best software engineering practices. And we're gonna use Sonnet. We're gonna use Sonnet thinking mode. Here is gonna appear slow request. Switch to auto for a much faster response. And here it goes. While it's installing dependencies, let's start the CAD change directory, my React, and here we're gonna say npm start. So yeah, we can start the server, and we're gonna see on our local host, we're gonna see the web server. We want to see what is cursor doing right here. Okay. So yeah, guys, in my honest opinion, I wouldn't buy this package because you hit this rate limit of 500 prompts very quickly, and if you are using, you're gonna use cascade mode or agent mode, the equivalent to agent mode in cursor. As you can see here, it's taking some credits for all this stuff. So if you're gonna create a resource intensive project, that's gonna cost you. So yeah, my honest opinion, the best package for me at least would be the $200 per month, because at least we get the unlimited slow premium requests, which by the way, as you can see, this I don't really see any difference here between the fast requests and the slow premium requests. This seems pretty fast to me. Let's see what is he doing here. Oh, here's a bug. Cool. Let me refresh the page. Okay. Oh, guess what, guys? He created the files in the wrong directory. Brother, stop this nonsense, please. Use this or instead. Sometimes, and this is really good that it happened, because sometimes, guys, you will see, just to showcase you guys, you will see that it's confused. I'm going to test it myself. Cursor, cloud. Just move this in here, please. So yeah, guys, he's confused right now. He's hallucinating. Okay. Let's delete this. And let's try again. Sometimes this is what it happens, guys. Here is the... Oh, I think maybe... let's see. What did I even write in there? Web acts, web. Well, I gave him the folder. Oh, actually, I know what the problem was. No, it doesn't make sense. This is the same name as in here. Same folder name. Doesn't make sense, guys. So yeah, here he's hallucinating. And I will say the folder is located here, buddy. Yeah. This is... Sometimes this will happen. Let's delete these, guys. We don't need these. But this is really good that it happened, because now you guys can see. So if you encounter this, you'll see you'll know what you have to do. So please, you should pay attention in here. If he goes in here and writes stuff, he's not writing, he's not considering the your project items in here. But I think that he's doing the right thing now. So if we go here, stuff is happening. He's writing components, hooks. He created the folders. So even though, guys, even though it's running in agent mode, it can't just really be fully autonomous, as you can see here. There must be some guy behind the computer telling him, hey, you're not doing this right, or he needs a supervisor of some sort so that he can guide him in order to accomplish its goal. what I like about Windsurf, it's the is the graphical user interface. I think it's people have invested into this. I like the icons. I just simply like it more. You also have the deploy feature in here. There's also another feature where you can preview uh, the work that has been done, so you don't have to open up. You don't necessarily have to open up a web browser to preview your web app. So here's going to auto fix the problems in here. You can see here the auto fix enabled. Let's just give it some time so that it can create our app in here. So the point is, guys, this is not slow. It doesn't seem slow at all, at least to me. So the main problem for me is that I hit this limit very quickly, especially when we're using agent mode. So for instance, you saw there, guys, how he hallucinated. Nobody's gonna give you back that credits because the AI hallucinated, and you just, I don't know, you just leave it and you go do something else. He's gonna create some stuff, and then you're gonna come back and notice that he didn't create the thing that you really wanted to to create. So even though if they say it's Asian mode, they can plan, search, build anything. I mean, can it really build anything without me having to supervise this guy or having to eventually um, do it myself? Like maybe sometimes I'll have to code myself and fix the bugs in here. Okay, so he says that he successfully created the app. So let's see. Okay, let's see. So home, we got a home button, a about button in here. These images are not loading in here. Contact. Okay. Made with love by our team. Okay. Home. Again, this image is not loading. Okay. Um. So yeah, this is these are the slow requests, and we can say make make the even more appealing, and we can say that. And again, slow requests switch to auto for a much faster response or get fast access here. Let's see how slow that is. How slow was that, guys? I don't know, 5 seconds slower than the fast primary requests. I mean, not not that not that slow, to be honest. And he wrote 124 lines in like how much? 6 seconds, 7 seconds. I think this is a really good deal compared to Windsurf, to this deal in here. Let's refresh the page. Get started. Okay. As you can see, it's doing stuff. So yeah, guys, that was it for this video. Let's give it a moment to finish up this, and we'll end it there. Okay, there's a lot of coding in here. It changed a lot in here. There are some errors in here, but he's gonna fix them. He's got the auto fix enabled, and yeah, but he just has to add more code in here. How much do we have? 150. Okay, let's see. 150, 300 or more, almost 4. We have a lot of code in here, guys. Imagine you would write this all by yourself. All of this code. Well, I guess this is pretty much boilerplate code. You can you can build on top of this and make it more organized and make it your way. Okay, your app is ready. Let's see. There are some problems in here, and we're gonna give them to Claude to fix them. So that we can see the newest version of what he created in here. Okay, slow requests. How much, guys? 5 seconds? That's not a lot. It's pretty decent. From the header component. Okay, more code in here. Well, this is the new web app, guys. Some images are not loading, but I mean, the functionality is there. It doesn't look bad. Let's go through all of the pages. Notifications, account, get started. Oh, okay. So yeah, this was cursor slow premium requests, guys. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.